The Insta360 One X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the One X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The One X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The One X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.
Meet EVO, the foldable camera that shoots 3D and 360. EVO's eyes are just like yours. Open them up and shoot lifelike 3D. Clip on the included 3D viewer and see your memories jump to life. Or snap on holoframe and watch naked eye 3D. You've never seen your phone do this. EVO shoots one image for each of your eyes, then holoframe splits them up with a custom-built filter, and you see 3D. EVO folds up and shoots all directions at once. For big moments, every angle counts. First times can be a little shaky. EVO keeps things steady with gimbal-like stabilization, so you can keep moving and focus on what matters. Time shift mode puts a 360 twist on your time lapses. Vacations will never look the same. Watching in VR is easy. Connect EVO directly to your headset and play back your favorite shots straight off the camera. EVO lets you live your best moments again and again. Capture, share, and relive what you love.